Well, I think the significance of the house is that it is where Eleanor Butler and Sarah Ponsonby, the ladies of Clongloughlin, stayed, lived their lives together, created a sort of romantic retreat in which they could be accepted as oddities and eccentrics within their society, while at the same time transgressing many of the rules of femininity and the rules of sexuality. I think it's very important that it has become this site where you can talk about queer histories and LGBT people can go and visit and feel something as relative to their own contemporary lives. What it does, it says there were always people who were different, always people who were queer in history. LGBT is not a contemporary or modern invention, and having those places and spaces where one can make a pilgrimage or go and visit is very important.